Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Tether from XMO to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Tether on XMO and want to move it to your Trust Wallet for better security or easier access, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. It's a straightforward process, but always remember that crypto transactions are irreversible, so we'll focus on safety first. Before we start, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need an active XMO account with Tether, USDT, in it, and Trust Wallet installed on your device. Also, verify that your Trust Wallet is set up correctly and you're familiar with the network type, like Tron or ERC20, to avoid any hiccups. Let's jump into the steps. First, log into your XMO account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw or Wallet section. It's usually in the top menu or sidebar. Step 2. Select Tether, USDT, from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Double-check the network option to match what's set in your Trust Wallet. For example, if your Tether is on the Tron network in Trust Wallet, choose that here to ensure compatibility. Next, enter your Trust Wallet address. To get this, open Trust Wallet, go to your Tether asset, and copy the address directly. Paste it into XMO, and triple-check for accuracy. Mistakes here could mean losing your funds forever. Now, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum limits or network fees displayed, as these can vary. Once you're ready, review all the details carefully. Finally, confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to enter a 2FA code for added security. After that, hit submit and wait for the transfer to process. It could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And just like that, your Tether should be safely in your Trust Wallet. This method keeps your assets more secure and under your control. If you run into any issues, check XMO's support or Trust Wallet's help center. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next one.